All right, so if you want to take away all the stress and the headache for trying to create a YouTube ad account, there are steps you got to do if you do it the old way. This way, Sprizzy has made it super simple, and it actually worked. I have used this on my campaigns when I'm running ads on YouTube. This is the way to go, and you'll get a bang for your buck. So you'll just click that link down in my bio, and all you have to do when you land on this page is just log in with your Google. If you have a YouTube account, use that YouTube Gmail that you have synced up to your YouTube account, and it's going to automatically sign you in, and it's going to sync your YouTube channel. So all your videos and stuff are going to just show up and pop up there, and then you're ready to get started. Okay, so I won't make a video about how to create an account. We're just going to dive into it. So once you have created your account and you're all signed in, you see I already have my YouTube signed up as Dad Learns YouTube. And you see, once I put it in, it already has all of my videos. And if I click more, it would show many more of them. Okay. And also over here to the right, it's giving you an example of how your ad would look. So you can start your ad in 3 steps: start, configure it, and then you fund it, and they'll take care of the rest. And they're going to keep you updated of the process. When you're finished, your ad doesn't go live. It has to get reviewed. That's what everybody has to do, even if you did it with Google, TikTok, or any other platform. First, they got to review your ad and make sure it meets their community guidelines. And then once it's approved, then it'll go live, and they'll let you know when that happens. Okay, so say for example, I wanted to use this video right here. All right, so now we're gonna start building the ad. It already knows what kind of video I'm gonna want to use, and you can see things are changing. So it's gonna give you a video ad, and it's also gonna give you just an ad, if you've ever seen on YouTube, to where it's in the top right hand corner. Just to give you an example of what I mean, say this person right here, this is John Cristani. That means he's running a YouTube ad. So it's gonna place him in the search. So I search for affiliate marketing. All right, so you'll pop up if your ad is related to that niche or to that keyword. Your ad will pop up at the top, just like this guy right here. I just want to show you exactly what I meant. Now, in addition to that, even though it's going to be at the top of the searches, it's also going to play in between the Monetize YouTube creators' videos. All right, so you're paying for that time. If you've ever saw a video on YouTube and you click the thumbnail and you want to watch the video before the video actually starts, it plays an ad or two. Your video is going to be featured there as well. All right, so I want you to understand that part of it. All right, and then you just go through the process. Okay. So this is the video. I chose it. I just clicked that video as we saw. Are you promoting a song or a band? No. What language is your video in? You choose the language. I'm going to go with English. All right. And you can write your own YouTube ad. That's optional, or you can have them write it for you. Now check here for some ad types. A thumbnail of your video will be displayed along with the headline description. This is your opportunity to write a captivating ad to encourage users to watch. So if you want to do that to where you want something specific, you want to make sure that is in your ad, you can do that here, or you can click if you did want to do that, you would click this right here and you'll start configuring that. Now you can also go to ChatGPT and have them do that, have that AI do it for you too. But for the sake of this video, educational purposes, we're going to keep it real simple. Sprizzy does a great job. They look at the videos and they'll do it for you as well.